Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to learn how to mount local drive in remote system, PC, computer, whatever you want to say. And second thing, sometimes you will get the error that is the system cannot find the file specified path. So we will learn about both topic in this video. So just I am going to start now to show how you can map local drive in remote system. So guys, before go ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe for new upcoming videos, and yes, please click on bell icon so that you can get a notification. Let us start now. So I have a PC, that IP is 10.10.11, and I am going to access this remotely. Yes. So suppose if you have a any data like this, and if you want to copy from a remote PC to, let me minimize this, remote PC to local PC, or you can say in local PC drive like here, and if you are getting this error, the system cannot find the file specified, so this video will help you, and you will also learn to mount local drive in remote system. So you can see here in this PC, means in local PC there are C drive, D drive, that is DVD, and E drive, and another one is F drive. And in remote PC, if you see, there is only C and D drive. So let me disconnect it again, and I will show you how you can mount these local drives in a remote system drive. So we'll run here MSTSC. You need to click here show option, local resources. You will see your local device and resources. You need to click on more option and just expand this drive option, and you will see here C, D, E and F. All drives you will be able to see whatever will be available on the local system, local computer. So suppose if you want to map all drives, then you need to select all these drives. Otherwise, if you want to map any specific drive like E drive, in my case, so I am going to map this, and I have selected this, and just click OK, connect, again click connect, and you need to here enter password in same way. It is connecting, click on yes. Now I'll refresh it here. Yes, now you can see E drive is mapped here, and you can see here it is also showing here E on XYZ. XYZ is a local computer name. You can check from here. You can see device name XYZ. Actually this system is updated to version 20s2, so that's why it is showing here device name, otherwise it will show computer name. So in this way you can map local drive in remote PC, and if you want, you can copy any data if you want to see, I have opened this drive, local system drive, on this remote system. If you want, you can match here FTP, Hyper-V, new folder, and many more folders. In same way, we will also open here the same folder. You can see same folders are available here. So suppose if you have to copy any data, so just copy and paste here. If you will paste data in this way, you will not get error, that is the system cannot find the file as specified. So guys, in this video we have learned two things, like to mount local drive in remote PC, and if you will get this error, system cannot find the file specified path, then you will be also able to resolve, or you can say you will be easily able to copy your data from local machine, from remote machine to local machine. And you can see here the same file is copied, and in same way you can check in local drive also. Just refresh, and you can see the same file, the same VVSS server INST, same file is copied now. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So please again request you to please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for the new upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.